You know, when working on vintage hair or beautiful styles, you need a great foundation. Look at this. I'm going to take all of the hair and put it up into a twist. But you will notice I've taken out a very large rectangular shape on the top. Now I'm going to pin this in and I'm going to back comb all of the tails and put a hairnet over this to create a beautiful hair pad. Up on top of the hair, I'm going to divide the top hair into two sections and I'm going to use the back section to cover over. I'm going to back comb it and cover over the shape. And then I'm going to use the very front section and I'm going to use that to cover over everything so that it looks quite seamless and you don't see the back combing. This is such a beautiful look and sort of a real timeless vintage feel to the hair. Okay, I'm going to go to the front now and pull that over. There we go, and pull it over and back like that. I love this look. For the full tutorial, become a member today of Access Long Hair.